Morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Happy to see you all on the screen. Hope you are fine and well at home.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Prepared for the chapter test?
Yes, ma'am.
We have 2 periods today.
ma'am.
So test will be during the afternoon. All right?
Afternoon.
Yes, afternoon.
Okay, ma'am.
So what did we discuss in the last class?
Ma'am, the poem.
The poem.
Yes. Did we start discussing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
And you remember where did we stop?
ma'am is read full.
Yes, we just read it fully, but we
Yes.
did not go on with the explanation, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. So mainly we discuss about the poet. Who is the poet?
Walter
Walter
D.
D.
De La Mare. Yes. Walter de la Mare. And what's the name of the title of a poem?
The listeners.
The Listeners. And we read through the poem. And what did you understand after reading the poem? Who are the main characters?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
one
the
man
traveler.
and the house.
The traveler.
And the house. Inside.
And?
The house.
The ghost.
That ghost house.
Yes. So what kind of feeling do you get when you look at the title? The Listeners.
Ghost house.
Yes. Do you feel the presence of ghost in that title?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I have collected a couple of pictures to make it interesting so that you'll be able to imagine quite well.
Okay, ma'am.
Ghost images.
Yes, exactly. But don't dream at night, okay?
Ma'am,
I'm
but
afraid
ghost
whether
house
you'll have
will.
a nightmare.
Ma'am, but ghost house will be the windows will be broken and another things will be broken. But this house is very neat and clean.
How do we know that it is neat and clean?
Ma'am, the picture
Maybe
is showing.
it. Okay. In the picture, it's not there, but maybe some broken windows will be there on the side or back side.
Ghost will be cleaning
Ma'am,
the
there are
house.
spider webs in that picture.
You just imagine whatever you want to. Okay.
Yes,
There
ma'am.
is no end for your imagination. So I have given you full freedom to imagine. As we proceed with the poem, just imagine whatever you want, whether spider webs or broken windows or whatever it is. All right. So shall we start with the poem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who is going to read first few lines? I want you to read
Ma'am.
first 6 lines. Who will
Ma'am.
read? Yes.
Ma'am.
We'll start with Shivanya.
Is there anybody there? Said the traveler, knocking on the moonlit door, and his horse in the silence champed the grasses of the forest's ferny floor, and a bird flew up out of the turret above the turret above the traveler's head, and he smote upon the door again a second time. Is there anybody there? He said. But no one descended to the traveler.
All right. Thank you, Shivanya.
Thank
So
you.
Walter de la Mare published this poem, The Listeners, in the year 1912. And this poem is regarded as one of the most remarkable or noted poem of him. Okay. And this poem, as we read through the lines of this poem, we feel a mystery or a thrill or suspense hidden in the lines, in the midst of the lines. Okay, and we could also see that poet has a great fascination for mystery and supernatural elements. And that's what we are going to see. And I want all of you to imagine as I explain the setting of the poem. The setting of the poem takes place in the midst of a dark forest, especially at night when there is a clear moonlight. And the characters in the poem are the traveler, his horse, and the listeners. And there is a peculiarity for the listeners. The listeners are not just human beings, but the listeners are
Ghost.
ghosts. Okay, so the poem opens up with a question. Is there anybody there? Said the traveler, knocking on the moonlit door. So it's night time and there is enough moonlight, and the traveler has come in front of an abandoned house, a lonely house, an inhabited house or a castle, where he knocks on the door and he asks a question. Is there anybody there? And his horse in the silence champed the grasses of the forest ferny floor. What do you mean by champed? Champed?
Bit or ate something noisy.
Yes. Champed means to eat
It ate
Or
Noisily.
something noisily.
Something noisy.
Yes.
something nicely.
Champ means to eat noisily. So who was there to accompany the traveler?
Horse.
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 Okay, there was not even a single human being around. The traveler ride on the horse, on the back of the horse, and he is in front of the abandoned house. And the only company for the traveler is his horse. And what was the horse doing when the traveler knocked at the door?
Eating the
Jam the
grass.
grasses.
Yes,
The grass.
yes. The horse was eating the
The
grasses
grass.
noisily. And his horse in the silence is referred to the atmosphere. It is night. We know that night time is the time of silence. No other disturbances comes. So in the silence, the entire forest is silent, very quiet. And the traveler is friend of an abandoned house or a castle or a mansion. Just imagine the house to be very big. So let it take it as a castle or mansion. And the only company for the traveler is his horse. And while the traveler knocked at the door and while he was asking a question, is there anybody there? His horse started eating the grasses noisily of the forest ferny floor. It's not ferny, it is ferny. What do you mean by fern? Hmm? F-E-R-N.
Covered
Fern.
with
Covered.
covered with
with
ferns.
Fern means small
Grass.
plants, or you can say shrubs or something. This is quite common in our premises. I'll show you the picture.
Ma'am, that small plants coming in the sand and all.
Yes.
Ma'am, weeds.
Okay, yeah, almost a kind of weed only. But then when I show you the picture, it will be more clear to you. Yes. Can you see this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Something which is very common in our premises, in our surrounding.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is what you call as fern. Okay, so the forest was fully filled with small plants or shrubs or what you call as fern. Of the forest ferny floor, the ground of the forest was covered with lot of plants or ferns, and the horse was eating this fern noisily when the silence was prevalent inside the forest. Is that clear to you?
Ma'am.
Yes. And a bird flew up out of the turret above the traveler's head. Now, what's happening? What do you mean by turret? Turret.
I'm a small tower in
Small
the
tower in the
corner of a large
corner
building.
of a large building.
Yes, a small tower in the corner of a large building. Turret. A small tower in the corner of a large building. You have to learn all these word meanings, okay? That's why I'm writing it on the board. Because you come across two words which... Who has not muted? Turret. T-U-R-R-E-T. Turret. A small tower in the corner of a large building. I'll show you the picture. Turret. Yes. Can you see the two small towers
Yes, ma'am.
side of the building?
Yes.
This is what you call as turret. Okay. And now look at this image. I hope you can exactly feel.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's dark, it's night time, and you can see enough moon light here in the
Is
image.
this a real house?
Ma'am, this is not full night. This is half night.
Whatever it is. Can you see the turret here?
Yes.
On the top of the building?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Is it real or just image?
If you
Building will
ask
be
like
there.
that, it's
Ghost
all
will be
about
not there.
mostly.
And this
Ma'am,
is
by seeing
moonlit.
this itself, we will be scared.
Yes, that's why I took this black and white picture, just to take you into the mood of the poem. Okay, so you can see a large mansion and the turrets on the corner of that building. So what happened while the traveler was waiting for a reply? A bird flew up out of the turret. He could only see a small bird flying high above his head. And a bird flew up out of the turret above the traveler's head. But he did not get any response. And he smote upon the door again a second time. Is there anybody there? He said. Smote. What do you mean by smart?
Knocked hard.
Knocked the heart.
Yes. So how many times did he knock?
2 times.
2 times.
Yes. First time he knocked and he asked a question and he waited for a response. And since he did not get any response, he knocked at the door much more harder. He knocked hard upon the door a second time. Is there anybody there? The same question is asked by the traveler. But no one descended to the traveler. What do you mean by descend?
Reply.
Replied.
Reply?
Or make
Huh. Descending means come
Get
down, move down. So nobody descended to the traveler. So in a way we can say that nobody responded to the call,
traveler.
to the
Yes.
question asked by the traveler. Are these lines clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So where is the setting of the poem takes place?
I'm in the
In
forest.
the
In the forest, in the midst of the forest. And where is the traveler now?
Ma'am,
in that house.
He is in front of an abandoned mansion or castle. Who is there to accompany him?
Horse.
Horse. And what is the horse doing while the traveler was waiting for a response?
Champ.
Chop the
He's
grasses.
eating something noisily.
Yes, the horse ate the grass or ferns that was covered on the floor of the forest noisily. And what happened while he waited? He could see one thing. Yes?
Ma'am, the
He-
bird.
And
A
the
small
Flew
bird.
out of the torrent.
Yes.
From
He could only see a small bird flying out of the turret. And how many times did the traveler knock at the door?
2 times.
Times. The traveler knocked at the door twice. And the second time was a bit different from the first time. How do you know?
He knocked hard.
He
Knocked
knocked hardly.
Yes, he knocked hard at the second time and he asked the same question. And did he get a reply?
No, ma'am.
No, he did not get any reply. Nobody dissented to the traveler. So I hope these lines are clear to you.
Yes,
Yes. Shall we move to the next line?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. I want Shankari to read.
No head from the leaf-ringed sill,
Mm.
leaned over and looked into his grey eyes,
Mm.
where he stood perplexed and still,
Mm.
but only a host of phantom listeners
Mm.
that dwelt in the lone house then stood listening in the quiet of the moonlight
Mm.
to that voice from the world of men.
All right, all right. No head from the leaf-fringed sill leaned over and looked into his grey eyes, where he stood perplexed and still. But only a host of phantom listeners that dwelt in the lone house then stood listening in the quiet of the moonlight to that voice from the world of men. Are you able to go into the mood of the poem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, what is happening here? No head from the leaf fringed sill. Are you familiar with the word sill? We have come across the same word in a chapter which we learned
Yes,
previously.
ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, member, I corner.
Ah, yes, very good, very good. In the story, The Adventure of
Barai
Barai Karanet. Yes, what do you mean by sill? Sill means?
Ma'am, a
Ma'am,
window.
Yes, window sill. Window sill. The ledge forming the bottom part of the window. I'll show you the picture so it will be more clear to you. Ledge forming the bottom part of a window is known as the window sill. In olden times, we could see such kind of windows. But nowadays, in modern houses, we don't find such. Okay, window sill. So just imagine yourself to be in the midst of the forest, okay? And you are the traveler waiting for a response from the listeners. All right. So I have collected different images of the abandoned mansion. Yes.
Ma'am, you told that there are leaves and all. But
Leaves?
in this full leaves will be there now.
Leaves. What leaves?
Any leaves?
Here you can see, look at this picture. You can
But
see the
in
ferns here.
this tree, nothing is there. Simply one tree is
Down,
standing there.
downwards ferns are there. See,
Oh.
on the ground, on the bottom part, you can see the ferns, isn't it?
Ma'am, 25th picture you have shown. That ghost house.
Ah, yes.
Ah,
These are
in
all
that
different
there is no
images.
leaf.
Okay. Yes. Different
Cool.
images I have just collected. Not exactly according to the poem, but I think this is more appropriate, isn't it? For
Yes,
an
ma'am.
Yes,
abandoned
ma'am.
mansion, this picture will suit more. And here you can see the moonlight, a full moonlight here. All right. And here we have the traveler and the horse. Horse is busy eating the ferns.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you will never forget this poem because I'm showing you the images.
Ma'am, picture is different and house also different.
Ah, that you just don't consider. I just want to take you to the mood of the poem. That's it.
Yeah.
This is another picture. See, it's different. Yeah. Now we have the image of a leaf-fringed sill. Can you see the leaves?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
There
Yes,
at the
ma'am.
bottom
Yes,
part
ma'am.
of
That
the
is
window?
that sill is covered
Yes,
with
yes.
Yes,
leaves.
the sill, the bottom part of the window is covered with lots and lots
Yeah.
of leaves. Okay, abandoned house it is. Now here, look at this picture. This is a clear image. See, this is what you call as sill. Can you see a projected part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, window sill. Okay, another image. Okay, so according to the poem, the ledge or the bottom part of the window is covered with leaves. Now look at this. This part is known as sill, and the bottom, the downward part is known as apron. Okay. And what is the poet telling us? No head from the leaf fringed sill leaned over and looked into his gray eyes.
Means nobody
Ma'am,
from
nobody looked
Ah.
out of the
looked from
window.
the window. It
Yes,
is grey
yes.
eyes.
Somebody is there inside the house, and it's a mystery. The traveler is not so sure whether anybody is there inside or not. And he is knocking, he's asking a question, and he is waiting for a response. So, no head from the leaf-fringed sill leaned over, looked out, and into the gray eyes. Whose gray eyes are referred here?
Ma'am,
the
the
leaves.
travelers.
Travelers.
Yes, gray eyes are referred to traveler's
The
eyes.
traveler.
Okay, so nobody from the house, nobody inside from the house leaned over and looked into his gray eyes. Just look at this image. I hope you will find it very interesting. Yes.
Oh.
Can you see the figure here?
Ma'am, is this
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Ghost.
Ma'am,
Ghost.
that looks like
Will
a
you be
goat
able? Are you
because
able to see the legs?
Ma'am,
No,
I think
ma'am.
she is old.
Ma'am, it's a
Ma'am, I think
transparent
she's
body.
old.
Ma'am, yeah, this is not real.
Ma'am, I think she's old.
Let her be old. You want somebody young?
Not really old.
Ma'am,
Let-
can you change this picture?
Why?
No, scare.
Ma'am, this little.
Ma'am, we will not.
Rattan.
Girls will scare, boys
My
will not scare.
goodness. At
Ma'am.
night, please don't blame me, okay? If you have a
Ma'am,
nightmare,
in this poem, ma'am,
if you
in
have
this
a nightmare,
poem,
please
the,
don't blame me. Yeah.
ma'am, in this poem, the traveler is knocking 2 times. But in the films, when they are knocking 2 times, after that, when they keep the hand, the door will be automatically open.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
The
yes,
film
yes,
goes
yes,
like
yes.
that.
Yes, yes.
Automatically,
Film
the
will be
door
different. Film will be different from the poem. Okay. Let's mainly concentrate on what the poet has written.
Okay.
Okay. So when you write the answers, please keep in mind that you should write only according to the poem. Okay. What we are learning now. All right. So did you find the image, a mysterious image of a lady
Yes,
standing
ma'am.
behind the window?
Old lady.
Yes, yes. Okay. And nobody is peeping out of the window. She's just standing behind the window and she's listening to the traveler's question or call, but no response is coming. No head from the leaf fringe still, sorry, no head from the leaf fringe still leaned over and looked into his gray eyes, where he stood perplexed and still. What do you mean by perplexed?
Ma'am,
Puzzled. Puzzled.
Perplexed. Perplexed means confused.
Puzzled.
Confused or puzzled.
Puzzled.
Why was the traveler confused?
Because there is
Ma'am, because
Huh?
when they ask
Ma'am, because
for
there someone is
no
there
response
and they're
inside,
not responding.
Yes. Traveler was confused because nobody responded to his call.
Responded.
And he remained still. Still means quiet.
Quiet.
Traveler did not move. He remained quiet and he was perplexed or he was confused as he did not get any response. But only a host of phantom listeners that dwelt in the lone house then stood listening in the quiet of the moonlight to that voice from the world of men. So who is inside the abandoned house?
Ma'am, phantom
Oh.
listener.
Phantom listeners. It's not just merely listeners, but phantom listeners. What do you mean by phantom listeners?
Shadow.
Shadow.
Inside the building and quiet.
Yes, phantom listeners means shadowy beings. Or in a way, you can say that ghostly creatures. Okay, phantom listeners. So the listeners are not human beings, but they are shadowy beings, ghostly figures. But only a host of phantom listeners. Host. Who is a host?
The ghost.
Host is not ghost. There is only one difference in spelling. H-O-S-T and G-H-O-S-T. Who is a host?
Traveler.
Have you read the novel Host? The Host by Stephanie Meyer. A very big
No.
novel. Host. Who is a host? What is the opposite antonym of host?
Ghost.
Hmm?
Ghost.
What is the antonym of host?
I
Ghost.
don't know.
Added person.
Listen. Antonym of host is not ghost but guest.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Host means
Antonym.
the
Ma'am,
Now we got the idea. Now we got the idea.
I know
host
that.
means
I
the
know.
ma'am,
first.
someone who is living there.
No.
Ma'am,
No.
someone who is
host means
leading.
Someone who's going, speaking, mainly.
Somebody who is living inside is not called as host. Host is
Host
a
means-
person who receives the guest. Okay.
Yes.
Host is someone who entertains or receive people as guest. So according to the poem, who is the host here?
Ma'am inside
Ma'am,
the house.
the phantom
The listeners. Phantom
Yes,
listeners.
the phantom listeners. So note it down in your textbook. Sometimes you may forget. So host, according to the poem, host is phantom listeners. And who is the guest?
Ma'am, the traveler.
Yes, the traveler is the guest. Okay,
Ma'am.
so
Ma'am,
yes,
Abhinav
Mr.
sent- Ma'am,
Abhinav will send such messages. I'm not taking into consideration. Abhinav has written, host means who has advantage to record and share screen in Zoom. That is with regard to online class. My dear Abhinav, he would always think in a different way. So I'm just giving you the word meaning of host. Host is a person who receives or entertains somebody as guest. Okay, so here we have host. Host means the phantom listeners and the guest is referred to the
Traveler.
traveler. But only a host of phantom listeners that dwelt in the lone house then. Lone house. Lone house means abandoned house.
Abandoned.
Lonely house. Yes, lonely house. So who is there to listen to the call made by the traveler?
Ma'am, phantom
Phantom
listeners.
Yes,
Phantom.
phantom listeners. Now look at this image. Wow. Can you see the partition?
Yes.
Ma'am.
On the left side, you can see
Ma'am, the
a
man
lady.
also
Ma'am.
ghosty. Ma'am,
No,
the
no,
man
no.
also ghosty.
No.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I think the phantom listeners can see the traveler, but the traveler can't see that.
Yes, exactly. Ghost figures are also like that, isn't it?
Yes.
The ghosts can see things. They can just move around freely. They can take different positions. They can change themselves into different figures. It's all possible. So here in this image, you can see two people. On the left side, you can see a phantom listener, a shadowy being, a lady, and on the right hand side, you can see the traveler. Okay.
Ma'am, the
Partition is there. in
Ma'am, the traveler's leg and all is covered with fog.
Ah,
Yes,
yes.
he's also
Ma'am,
ghosty.
snow.
Very good observation. Well done.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, that's why I said he's a ghosty.
ma'am, why this traveler?
It's all about painting. Okay, don't consider the
Yes,
travel.
ma'am.
Traveler is purely human being.
Ma'am,
Only human being. Yes, yes.
ma'am, why this traveler came to this abandoned house?
Ah, that's it. That's it. We have to find the answer for it. We readers have to find the answer for it. The poet has
Because
not
he did
said
Ma'am,
it.
not have
maybe
any
the
house.
ghost is the owner of the house.
Yes, ghostly figures are there inside the house, and traveler has come to meet somebody else. And that is why I gave you an introduction. This poem is a
Ma'am,
mysterious poem. We
ma'am,
have to find the
Ma'am,
answer.
sometime he
maybe.
will be when he was small.
One,
His
please, one
father's
at a time. I love interacting with you. Please, one at a time. Who's speaking now?
ma'am,
Ma'am,
ma'am, when he was small, his father's poverty will be that one. When his
All right.
father died, he will be going
ma'am,
when he
maybe
was
he
big.
loves
Very
to
good
travel.
imagination. Okay,
Maybe he
Varada.
loves to travel and explore the house and all.
Maybe he loves to travel, but then why he is knocking on the door and asking
Ah,
somebody
yes,
is there or
yes,
not?
yes.
He's expecting
Maybe.
someone.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am, maybe the owner of the house is connected to that of the traveler.
Ah,
Someone.
yes, maybe some connection, some relation
Ma'am,
will be there. Yes.
ma'am, animals, it is said that animals can see ghosts, right?
Hmm.
So there
Yeah,
is a horse with the traveler. So why is in the horse not
I'm
doing anything? If
horses
there's a
busy
ghost
eating
inside.
the grass. So
man, that time I
Horse
asked
is busy
that
eating
question.
grass. So he's not concerned about fandom listeners.
ma'am,
Let's
Yes, yes,
consider
yes.
it that way.
ma'am,
Yeah. Yes,
I
Shankari?
think he came to rest there after traveling a lot time.
Oh, yes. So he want a rest, and that's why he is knocking at the door so that
Yes.
somebody can let him in.
In the
Huh?
Beauty and the Beast it is there.
Yeah, very good, very good.
Same like beauty.
Okay, Abhinav's answer is maybe he became lost and searched for a house nearby and found this house. Ah, many, many possibilities, number of endless possibilities we have. The poem has got a, open ending. This is an open ending poem. We can interpret this poem in any way as we like. That is why it is said mysterious poem. We do not know. The poet is not giving us a quite sure answer why the traveler has come in front of the house, whom he is expecting, whom he is waiting for. Nothing. We do not know. Okay, so we can imagine according to our wish. So, shall I continue?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
But only a host of phantom listeners that dwelt in the lone house. Dwelt means live, reside, dwelt. So the phantom listeners are there inside the abandoned house and they listen. They stood listening in the quiet of the moonlight. Okay. Not only one listener, but there are many. Many listeners are there, and they all stand together listening to the call made by Traveler. If any one of you get a nightmare tonight, just call me, okay? Okay. So then I'll make it 100% sure that you have been into the mood of the poem. Yes, stood listening in the quiet of the moonlight to that voice from the world of men. What do you mean by the phrase, the world of men?
The world of
Man,
the
the
world
world
people
of
live
living
in.
people.
Yes, the world of living people. So from where did this voice come?
I'm from the house.
Ma'am,
From
Huh?
fans and
No,
Yes,
no, that word.
ma'am,
from where did the voice come?
Ma'am, from the listener.
From
my
the listener. Listeners are
fans,
Ah,
listening.
yeah, no, no.
ma'am,
The
the
man,
sound is
the
from
traveler.
Yes,
travel.
the
fans
sound
and
is from the traveler.
Traveler,
Traveler.
Yes.
traveler.
So the fandom listeners crowded together inside the mansion and they stood quiet in the moonlight, listening to the sound of the traveler.
Man, in that house only one ghost
No, no,
from
no, no, not one. Many other, many other.
ah.
All
No,
right.
in the picture you have
I'll show you. I'll show you. A few more pictures are there to show. All right. So shall we continue? Hope these lines
yes,
are
yes,
clear to you.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who is going to read the next lines?
Ma'am,
Pratana? Yes.
stood thronging the faint moon,
Thronging.
stood thronging the faint moonbeams on the dark stair
Mm.
that goes down to the empty hall, hearkening in an air still and
Hearkening.
hearkening in an air stirred and shaken by the lonely traveler's call,
Mm.
and he felt in his heart their strange,
Heart.
and he felt in his heart their strangeness,
Mm.
their stillness answering his cry, while his horse moved, cropping the dark turf, neath the starred
Starred and leafy sky.
and leafy sky. For he suddenly smote on the door even louder and lifted his head. Tell them I came, and no one answered. That I kept my word, he said.
All
Nevertheless,
right, all right, all right. Thank you. Thank you, Pratana.
thank you, ma'am.
So, children, do you think that the listeners are equally puzzled with the sound made by the traveler? Can you pick out any line from the poem to show that the listeners are also puzzled
Tell
by the
them
question
I
asked by the traveler?
came.
Ma'am,
Hanging in an air stirred and shaken by the
Which
lonely
line?
traveler.
Which line shows
ma'am,
that listeners are equally
in an
puzzled?
air stirred and shaken by the lonely traveler's call.
Okay, hearkening in an air stirred and shaken. Any other line?
Ma'am, tell them I came and said.
See, when you are alone in your house, and if a stranger comes and knocks at your door, what you do? What will you do?
Ma'am,
Will
you will
not
Will you
open the
just
door.
go?
Hide
Will you just go
somewhere.
and open the door happily?
We'll hide
ma'am,
somewhere and
look
hide
Look through the
somewhere.
window.
We won't open.
Yeah.
you will look through the window.
Yes, you would look through the window. You would never dare to open the window, but you just
No, ma'am.
move the curtain and you will just
Yes.
look through it, isn't it? You will
Yes,
never open the door or the window, or you will never respond. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
That's because you know that the stranger is there outside, isn't it?
Yes.
I have also done the same thing when I was when I was a child. Okay, if my parents are not at home and if I'm alone, oh, one day, my goodness, one day while I was doing my schooling, I was all alone at house, and my mom advised me that if somebody comes, do not open the door. Okay, so I was very cautious about it, and I heard somebody knocking at the door. Okay, so as just like you all do, I just looked through the window by not opening the window, but just I just just moved the curtain. I just moved the curtain, and then I just looked out, and I found that it was a beggar. My goodness, a
What's it?
beggar with a torn clothes, an old man having a torn clothes, wearing torn clothes and all. So my heart started beating so fast. My goodness. So I kept quiet. I just took a secured position behind the door so that he would not see at least a shadow of mine through the window. And then this man is not leaving. He started knocking again. Second time, third time, my goodness, I kept on praying. I remained very quiet for at least 5 to 6 minutes, and finally he left. My goodness, that's because we know that the stranger
Ma'am,
outside.
that time what will be your condition?
Yes, Midun?
Ma'am, that time what will be your condition?
I was so frightened. And when my mom came, I told her this is what happened today. So children, be very careful, okay? If you're alone at home, never ever open the
Ma'am,
window
that
and
time
door.
you should
We will
keep
go
in
to the
your
next
hand one
house.
knife.
You will not stay alone at your house. You
No,
will
ma'am,
go to
we
your
will go to
aunt's
next.
house
Ma'am, that time
or
you
neighbor's
should
house.
keep in your hand one knife. If
No,
they
no, no, no.
come to.
Better not to open the door and window. That's
Yes.
the safest thing. Okay, all right. So here we find that the fandom listeners are also quite perplexed. They're confused. They never expected a traveler at that point of time. It's night. Huh? It's night. It's midnight, and they never expected a traveler to knock at the door and to disturb the entire silence. So they stood listening in the quiet of the moonlight. That line shows that the travelers were equally puzzled by the stranger's appearance at the door. So thronging the faint moonbeam on the dark stair that goes down to the empty hall. So look at the words. Look at the words. We are just able to imagine, isn't it? Visual imageries are portrayed by the poet here. Visual imageries. Can you imagine a dark staircase while you read? Yes,
Ma'am.
yes. Visual imagery. Dark staircase. Then empty hall. Can you imagine an empty hall?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So look at this image. Yes. Can you see this? a dark staircase,
Yes.
and the image of somebody else's legs. Okay,
Yes.
and you can also see the moonlight, the shadow falling onto the dark staircase.
Ma'am, 3 legs are there.
No,
I'm only
just a
two.
reflection. Okay, now look at this one. A ghostly figure
Ma'am, I'm
on
very
the.
scared to sit
Ma'am,
inside
Ma'am, this
the
is
pool.
not ghostly figure. He is putting one cover in his head only.
Oh my goodness. Just
Walking with the
imagine,
lights.
children, just imagine for the namesake. Just imagine. Okay, so a ghostly figure on the staircase.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, they
Yes.
don't know.
we are
If any
going alone at
stranger
night.
came,
We can imagine like this.
Yes, Shivanya?
Ma'am, in a house at night, if we are going alone,
Oh.
we will see automatically.
Ma'am, now
we will
Ma'am.
feel
onwards
like
I
someone
won't sit
standing.
inside my house alone.
At
ma'am,
night, be careful, okay? Ask your mom to come and sleep next to you so that you will not have nightmare.
ma'am,
All right.
ma'am, they said no. If any stranger come, do not open the door.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes ghosty mother will be saying, if any stranger come, do not open the door.
Ma'am,
And the travel came and knocking the second time, is not opening the door.
Mm.
So
ma'am,
that's why he is not open.
Oh, okay, all right.
ma'am,
Yes,
Abhiya
yes.
sent a message that so many numbers and person guarantee ma'am is gonna give us nightmares.
All right, all right. Since we have one more hour to go, I'll continue the poem in the next session. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we can complete our test very fast.
yes, after completing the poem, we can do the test, isn't
yes,
it?
done.
That's
Okay.
better.
Ma'am,
All
is
right.
the test
Anyway, we
MCQ?
prepared. If we get time, we'll do the test today.
Ma'am,
All right?
MCQ
Okay,
no.
ma'am.
Ma'am, is it
MCQ
MCQ?
no.
Ma'am, or else you send the link
It is not
after the
MCQ. It
class.
is not MCQ.
Then,
Don't think it in that way. You will have to write the test. Okay.
ma'am,
So give
Yes. No
Ma'am,
options
you
for you.
said-
No options for you.
Ma'am, you said
ma'am,
all MCQ.
ma'am, you said you
I never
read
told
the
you it's
text.
MCQ. I never told you. Check your message. I've
Yes.
told you to learn the word meanings,
And
read the
read the
text
text.
thoroughly,
Ma'am,
and
is it
also learn the question
compulsory
answers.
that, ma'am, is it compulsory we should write in the same way as in the note, or we can write
Not
in one?
exactly. You can differ with the words and
Ma'am,
phrases.
by including the points, we can
Yes,
write in our
points
own
should be
way.
there, but you have the full freedom to write it in your own way.
Okay, ma'am.
Preferably if you don't make mistakes. Okay, for mistakes, I'll reduce marks. All right. So
Yes,
thank you
ma'am.
all. I'll meet you in the next session.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay,
Ma'am,
thank you,
after
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Afternoon session. Yes, thank you.